So we are busy getting ready to set up to create some content with the kids for Cotton On. It's the Easter campaign we've been asked to be part of, and I'm going to take you through step by step what are we doing in order to set up and make this a successful campaign. Yeah, let's get going. So firstly, I have already written down all of my ideas, so let me take you through it. Okay, so I've started here with scene one. Girls in the bed, they wake up excited, they see the box open, get out of bed, jump in the box, Nuri transition. Okay, so we have to do, the brief says that we need to do like an Easter morning kind of, traditional eating chocolate for breakfast or something to that effect. So I came in with transitions and jumping into the beacon box, which is chocolates, and then I thought I don't know if they really like that kind of style, so I'm thinking I'll do like a transition, but I'll try and keep it more original, natural, not so produced. It needs to look like a real morning, Easter morning. Then we have to somehow get outside. Nuri clicks fingers or something outside. Kids jump out of the box, which now we're scrapping. Spin into a new outfit because there's another outfit. Bugs Bunny is going to go across the screen. And then girls need to find the eggs. And then some of the notes that I made here: film family, close up of the clothing, eating chocolate for breakfast or whatever, ending with everybody laughing on the blanket. So whenever I'm on a campaign, I like to try and be better than my last video or try and go above and beyond. But again, you got to also look at the brand. Do they like that type of content? Is it shareable for them? Is it going to be too overproduced? So I'm thinking I'm just going to change the script a little bit and just see what I can come up with. I don't like to be spur of the moment, but yeah, we're about to start filming in about an hour. So I need to go fetch Isra and then start preparing everything. It's hectic here with these kids, and Ross is helping. Hi Ross.
Hard, bro.
We're trying to get Amara to actually do something, but she's just so interested in everything. Hi Amara. These are the cute little things. Hi.
It's totally a vibe.
Trying to get these kids to do everything, and it's just hectic.
We just love eating.